In today's fast-paced world, anxiety has become an all too common companion for many. As we seek to find solutions, one method growing in popularity is the use of affirmations. But how can these simple, positive statements help alleviate the weight of anxiety? Let us understand the power of affirmations and their potential to transform our mental landscapes. Firstly, affirmations work on the principle which suggests that individuals can maintain their self-integrity by reminding themselves of their core values. When anxiety starts to creep in, our minds often become cluttered with negative thoughts and self-doubt. Repeating affirmations can disrupt this cycle by refocusing our attention on positive and calming ideas. For instance, saying to oneself, I am calm, I am supported, and I can handle this situation, can create a sense of control, counteracting feelings of helplessness often associated with anxiety. Affirmations also engage the brain through a process called neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. When we consciously choose and repeat positive words, we're essentially giving our subconscious mind new instructions, slowly reprogramming our automatic thought patterns at the neural level. By regularly practicing affirmations, we can reinforce positive neural pathways, making positive thoughts more automatic over time. Just like physical exercise strengthens our muscles, consistent use of affirmations strengthens a positive mindset. When anxiety has its claws in you, it can feel impossible to move, like you're frozen while the world rushes past. This is where affirmations work differently than quick fixes. They're not about pretending the anxiety isn't there, but about slowly creating footholds in the mental quicksand. A simple, I'm safe in this moment, or this feeling will pass, acts like a rope you can grip when the wave hits. At first, you might not believe the words. That's normal. But with repetition, they become neural anchors your brain can reach for automatically. Each time you affirm, I've survived this before, you're not just saying words. You're literally rewiring your fear response, building new pathways that bypass the old panic routes. The change happens gradually. Some days the affirmations will feel hollow, other days they'll be lifelines. But with consistency, they become what anxiety fears most, evidence that you can be present in the discomfort without being consumed by it. Another significant benefit of affirmations is their ability to encourage mindfulness. When we repeat affirmations, we become present in the moment, focusing our thoughts and energies on the positive. This act of mindfulness helps us distance ourselves from the spiraling nature of anxiety. Being grounded in the present moment allows us to observe our thoughts without judgment and develops a sense of calm. It's important to note, however, that for affirmations to be truly effective, they need to be personalized and meaningful. Generic affirmations may fall flat if they don't resonate with us personally. Creating affirmations that reflect our personal goals and values ensures that they carry emotional weight, making them more impactful and meaningful. While affirmations are a powerful tool, please understand that they are most effective when they are a part of a comprehensive approach to managing anxiety. This might include professional guidance, physical exercise, and other self-care practices. Affirmations alone are not a cure-all, but are indeed a valuable component of a broader anxiety management strategy. In conclusion, affirmations can be an empowering tool for those struggling with anxiety by cultivating positive self-views, encouraging mindfulness. While the journey to overcoming anxiety may be long and varied, integrating affirmations into our daily routine can provide hope. Let us remember the power of our thoughts and the potential within us all to shape a peaceful mind and a serene life without words. If anxiety has ever made you feel paralyzed, comment "Me Too" below. Then try this. For the next 24 hours, when anxiety rises, whisper just one word: enough. Let's rewrite these patterns, one affirmation at a time.